Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Nissan Smart Key. This key right here is coming from a 2006 Nissan Rogue. So I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to remove the key that's here. And right behind the fob, you're going to see like this little tab clip here. And all you're going to do is just press it up. Once you press it up, you're going to come right here and you're going to take the key. You're going to pull the key out. So let me get you closer so we can finish this process. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the casing, the shell. And all we have to do is, you see right in here, there's a small little gap. And what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a rag. What you're going to do, you're going to take the screwdriver, put it inside the rag, and take the tip of the screwdriver and put it right in here. And all you have to do is just twist it just a little bit. You don't got to push it hard. So you push it in there, and then all you do is turn it. And you see how it unlock? So now, you just start removing the shell. There goes the battery. So look at the orientation of the battery. The positive sign is in the bottom and the negative goes on the top. So to remove the battery, slowly, gently, you remove it. Then you take your new battery and you're going to slide it in like this where the metal is at. So you're going to come from the bottom, slide it in. Once you slide it in, you're going to take the shell, and if you notice here, this metal piece is going to go right in the gap right here. And all you do is, once you got it in, you start snapping it in. And you'll hear it snapping in. Once it's in, you're going to take your key, and you're going to put your key in again. And there it goes. And you have replaced your battery on your Nissan Smart Key. Later.